how to make $200 per day on Redbubble. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you exactly everything that you guys need to know in order to make $200 per day with Redbubble.com. As you guys know, Redbubble is a print on demand service, and trust me guys when I say this, that people are making thousands of dollars with Redbubble, and I'll show you exactly how that's done. It's very easy, and there are not many videos on YouTube which are gonna tell you how this is done. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and not skip anything. And now let's get into the video. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you guys to come on to redbubble.com. As you guys know, redbubble.com has a very nice interface, and over here you guys can see everything that they have to offer. You guys can buy pet stuff, you guys can buy wall art, you guys can also shop t-shirts, you can shop clothing, you can also shop bottles as well, and there are a ton of options over here. So now over here, let's firstly take a look at the things that they're offering. So over here, this shirt is a pretty basic shirt, and what does this shirt have? This shirt has basically flowers and fruits graphics on the t-shirt, and this is gonna cost you a whopping $35. Guys, I can guarantee that you guys can get a shirt like this for $3 from AliExpress if you guys were to just like wait for a few days, let's say like 30 days. But this person is charging $35 for just a simple t-shirt, and the same thing just goes on and on Redbubble. People are charging insane amounts of money, and people are actually paying for that money. So over here you guys can see that these are very basic graphics, and people are ordering this shirt. This shirt has 97 reviews, and all of the people who have bought this shirt have given a majority of a 5-star review. So hence this means that Redbubble has amazing quality, because Redbubble packs, ships, and takes care of all the miscellaneous stuff themselves, and all that you guys need to do is to just simply list your listing, and then after that you guys let Redbubble do the rest. So a common question that I've heard a lot of people tell me, how are we gonna get a lot of orders on Redbubble? Because of course, to get traffic is the main thing. You guys can have the best shirt in the world, but if you guys are not getting any traffic for it, you guys are not going to be making any money through it. So firstly, you have to take a look at what's trending, and I'll tell you exactly how that's done. And also guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like the video and also subscribe to our channel, because it's going to help us out a ton. So I'm going to click on search designs and products, and now from over here, firstly, you have to choose a niche that you want to target. If you want to target t-shirts, what I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to type in t-shirt over here, and then after that in the search bar you guys can see everything that is trending. So over here you guys have funny t-shirts, you guys have Stranger Things t-shirts, you guys have Hellfire Club t-shirts, and also you guys have music t-shirts. You can also click on show results for t-shirt over here, and then that's gonna tell you exactly what's trending. So you guys have a lot of movie stuff over here. You guys have some classic tees as well, then of course you guys have some very nice graphic tees as well. So all in all, this is how you guys can basically know what's trending, and the easiest way is to just simply use a few keywords. So for example, firstly you guys can have t-shirt, and then after that you guys can see what's trending in t-shirt. Just simply choose that, and then after that you guys can also see sub searches as well. So basically the people who are searching for Stranger Things t-shirts, they're also searching for Stranger Things Purdue, Stranger Things poster, Stranger Things Hellfire Club. So this is how you guys can really narrow down your t-shirts, and over here you guys can basically see all the stuff that is trending, and you guys can literally copy these t-shirts, and to create these designs it's very easy. All that you guys need to do is to just simply open up Canva, and I'll tell you exactly how you guys can design these t-shirts. But firstly you have to basically finalize what is it that you want to sell. So in my case, I'm gonna go with the first shirt, which is a Hellfire Club classic t-shirt, and over here you guys can see that this is a very nice and cool looking t-shirt, and people are searching for these t-shirts. So to design this, what you guys can do is that you guys can just simply move on to step number 2 with me. Step number 2. So in step number 2, as soon as you guys come on to canva.com, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So now from over here, I want you guys to type in over here t-shirt, and then after that just simply press enter, and then after that you guys are gonna see so many different options for t-shirts come up. Firstly, you guys can just simply pick any one of these designs as well. You guys can literally replicate these designs on Redbubble on your own mock-up, so meaning you guys don't even have to do anything yourself if you guys don't want to. But in our case, what we are gonna do is that we are gonna pick a template from over here, just so that we have a very nice looking template. So over here you guys can see that we have this particular template, which is is the cool dog template. Now in my opinion, this already looks so cool, but to make it original, what we can do is we can just simply modify the numbers over here. We can just simply do a few changes, and then those changes are gonna basically make this particular image really unique. So I'm gonna change it to this, and then after that I can also change the background color as well. So like this is how you guys can make it really nice. So in my case, I'm gonna change it to yellow, and then after that I will also change the image to basically be something else if I want to, but in my case I'm not gonna do that, because even still right now this looks absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna change the color to basically red, and now I have a very nice design ready. So now I want you guys to click on the top right where it says share, and then after that click on download. Now once you guys click on download, simply click on download from over here, and then after that wait for a few seconds, and then now this picture is gonna be downloaded on your computer. Now once this picture is downloaded on your computer, you are basically done with step number 2, and now we can move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, once you guys have signed up and once you guys are ready, from over here simply come on to redbubble.com, click on sell your art from the top right, and then that's gonna take you over here. So over here you guys can see how it works. You basically upload your designs to products in your shop, and then after that you simply find customers who are gonna find and purchase product. But we have that covered because we already know what those people are, and then after that the products are produced to order and shipped around the world. So click on start selling, and then that's gonna take you guys over to the sign up page. So now from over here simply choose artist sign up, and then after that put in your email, username and password, and I'll catch you guys once you guys have signed up. Once you guys have signed up successfully, now from over here simply click on the top right where you guys can see your profile, and then after that click on sell your art. Now from over here click on add designs, and then after that that's gonna take you over here. Click on upload new work, and then just simply choose the design that you guys just created. Now once your design is uploaded, now from over here you guys can just simply type in over here the name of your artwork, and then after that just simply add in a few tags over here. And then once you have a few tags over here, after that just simply put in a description, and then of course you can also see what your product is going to look like when it is actually on products. So now from over here you guys can choose as many products as you guys want, but upon our keyword researching we found that it is going to look really good on t-shirts, and we can also move it around as well. We can also resize it if we want to, and of course you guys can change the color of the t-shirt as well, just so that it looks the best of the best. So over here I'm going to change the color to basically be black or a white, because it's gonna look really nice on those colors. So now from over here, once you guys are done with that, click on apply changes, and then now from over here you guys can just simply scroll down and you guys can choose the category, and then after that click on save work, and then also make sure to check the no option in the is this mature content, and then click on save work, and now your work is gonna be processed and your design is gonna go live. So guys, that is how you can basically upload designs on Redbubble, and then after that of course you guys are gonna get really good orders, and then as soon as you get orders, well then after that you guys can just simply sell your orders and you will be able to make really good money. So guys, that is how you can basically make $200 per day. Now guys, please note that this might take some time, but once you guys are done with it, trust me, this is going to be the best passive income of your life. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.